Well, it is Wednesday, and I am back in the office just seeing some clients in the afternoon session. Put out a blog article regarding airport searches, and I put in the article an example of a person who was arrested recently at the Philadelphia airport with a handgun in their travel bag. Now, understand that when you enter an airport to fly, you're giving up your constitutional right against illegal search and seizure. So more than likely, this person is not going to have a very strong motion to suppress based on a violation of their constitutional rights. Now, I don't know the case that well, but just knowing the situation the person's going to find themselves in, airport security are an exception to any type of constitutional right that you may have regarding legal search and seizure. In addition, we frequently get questions about, especially during the spring break months, about traveling. And what I tell people is, if you're traveling in your vehicle, whether it be cross country or just a local trip, obviously the biggest thing you have to remember is to be respectful to police, but at the same time not to surrender your constitutional rights, even if they ask you to do so. If they're asking for consent, they probably don't have enough to search the car. Now, remember that in Pennsylvania, for the most part, police need a warrant to search a car, whereas in New Jersey, warrantless searches are permissible. There are exceptions like the plain view doctrine, and obviously consent is a major one of them. If a person gives consent, it pretty much negates their constitutional rights. So I always advise clients, if you are traveling, please stop your car and want to search you, do not give consent. If they say that they're going to get a dog or they're going to get a warrant, let them do it. If they say that they're going to arrest you, if they find anything, regardless, let them arrest you. I know it's scary and I know it's a tough decision, but really it will put you in the best situation. If you claim consent to whatever's found, if it's found in the car, you're going to have a problem from a defense standpoint. It doesn't mean that the case is necessarily hopeless, but it makes the case that much more harder to defend. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambleinlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, and videos are available there. With regards to traveling, if police do find something and they ask you, well, whose is this? Again, there is no need to make a statement. Simply give the officer your driving credentials and that's it. When you make a statement to police, yes, it can be used against you, just like you hear on TV. Again, the fact that you make that statement and your rights weren't read to you, it's a better not to have a statement at all. Obviously, your attorney can take issue with that with regards to your Miranda rights, but again, better not to have a situation come up in the first place. It's easier just to remain silent and then let your attorney take the case from there. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. If police want to give you a chemical test, whether it be a breathalyzer or a blood test, do not refuse the test. Simply take the test, and the results, again, we will deal with the results if you are charged with the DUI or DWI in New Jersey. But again, to refuse the chemical test is not in your best interest, as it will result in an automatic suspension of your driving privileges in most states, including New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So have a great Wednesday. If you are traveling for spring break, please travel safely and have a great day. I'll talk to you all very soon.